I recently fell victim to the inherent problem of the battery being ejected from the DJI Avata during a hard landing. This got me thinking I better do something about it before I actually lose my drone. So what I did is I went looking for a bracket to retain the battery, and there's a whole bunch of them out there, as you know. But I actually like this one that's manufactured by Sunnylife. It's actually made of a polymer type of plastic, so it's extremely lightweight and seems to be very durable. This bracket itself here only weighs 11.39 grams, so it is very lightweight, and it's actually very easy to install. Today what we're going to do is install it right here on this Avata, so we don't have the problem with the battery being ejected. The kit comes with the screws that you need here. I've already taken them out of the plastic bag and the bracket itself. It does come assembled with the 2 screws already in it. All you need to do is just remove the 2 screws that are part of the assembly here on the Avata that is for the propeller guard. Those come out very easily. This is a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench or hex drive, if you want to call it that. Then take your bracket. It actually interlocks over top of the frame itself here, so you kind of have to pop it over the frame. Then line it up with the screw holes. It does come with these extra long screws. The stock screws here are short, and these screws are much longer. Just put your screw in, and you don't want to over tighten this, you just want to make it snug. So we'll run this first one in, grab our other little screw there, take the other longer screw, make sure it's snug, and I'll check the other one here. Now what we'll do is flip this up, put the battery in, and as you can see here, it actually pushes over and it's pushing the battery forward. And like I said, it actually interlocks on the frame itself, so I feel very good about this. And also it gives a little bit of battery protection here, so the Avata goes down and actually impacts on this surface, it's not going to damage the battery. I'll put a link in the description below to this product. Hopefully you'll enjoy it as well. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.